stop scrolling right now. You aren't lazy, you aren't unmotivated, and you aren't just getting older. You are the victim of a silent, high-tech robbery that is happening inside your brain every single day. If you wake up feeling like a truck hit you, even after 8 hours of sleep, it's because your neurochemistry is being hijacked before you even step out of bed. We are living through a global crisis of exhaustion, but it's not because we're working too hard. It's because we've forgotten how our brains actually function. Today, I'm going to reveal 5 hidden traps that are draining your mental battery and exactly how you can reclaim your focus to get more done in 4 hours than most people do in a week. Let's talk about the first 10 minutes of your day. Most of us reach for our phones before we even open our eyes. You think you're just checking the news or your messages, but on a neurological level, you are committing a crime against your focus. When you wake up, your brain transitions from delta and theta waves into alpha, the creative flow state. By immediately staring at a screen, you force your brain to skip alpha and jump straight into high beta, the frequency of stress and anxiety. You are literally training your brain to be reactive rather than proactive. You've spent the rest of your day playing defense, responding to the world instead of building your own. But it gets deeper. Have you ever felt like your brain is foggy, even when the sun is out? It's likely because of a phenomenon called task switching cost. We love to talk about multitasking like it's a superpower, but for the human brain, it's a physical impossibility. Science shows that every single time you glance at a notification, even for 1 second, it takes your brain an average of 23 minutes and 15 seconds to return to deep focus. Think about that. If you check your phone just 3 times an hour, you are never actually focused. You are living in a state of pseudo-work where you feel busy but achieve nothing. You are burning massive amounts of glucose, the brain's primary fuel, just trying to reorient yourself over and over again. This leads us to the decision fatigue trap. Every day you have a finite amount of mental energy. Every choice you make, from what shirt to wear to what to have for lunch, takes a withdrawal from that bank account. High achievers like Steve Jobs or Mark Zuckerberg didn't wear the same thing every day just for a look. They did it to preserve their decision-making power for things that actually matter. By the time 4 p.m. hits, most people have made so many trivial decisions that they literally don't have the cognitive strength to make big, life-changing moves. Their willpower battery is dead. Now let's look at the physical side. Your brain is only about 2% of your body weight, but it consumes 20% of your oxygen. When you sit still at a desk for hours, your blood flow slows down and your brain starts to starve. This is why you feel that afternoon slump. Studies have shown that just 2 minutes of simple movement, walking, stretching, anything, can spike your creativity and problem-solving abilities by 60%. If you're stuck on a problem, the worst thing you can do is keep staring at the screen. You need to move to literally feed your neurons. And finally, the most dangerous trap of all, the dirty brain effect. While you sleep, your brain has a specialized waste clearance system called the glymphatic system. It's like a dishwasher for your mind, clearing out toxic proteins that build up during the day. But this system only works effectively during deep, high-quality sleep. The blue light from your phone mimics sunlight, telling your brain to stop producing melatonin. Even if you sleep for 8 hours, the quality is so poor that the dishwasher never runs. You wake up with a brain that is literally still dirty from the day before, leading to a temporary drop in IQ and emotional stability. Now, imagine a different world. What if you had a real-time energy meter on your wrist? What if you knew exactly when your brain was at its peak and when it needed a reboot? What if you treated your focus like $1 million asset it actually is? Most people will watch this, agree with it, and then go right back to checking their phones. But if you want to be in the top 1%, you have to protect your biology. Start tomorrow. No phone for the first 30 minutes. Move your body every hour. Protect your sleep like your life depends on it, because your quality of life actually does. Which of these habits is currently holding you back the most? Is it the morning scroll or the midnight screen? Let me know in the comments, and I'll share a specific protocol to help you break that cycle. Don't let your potential stay trapped in a tired brain.